should carry heavy enough for me to get back. Read, I fear death on the road tonight. It's got me to where I wanna run and hide. Oh, I used to dream of oceans and streams, flowing and growing strong. Where have all those days gone? These days I'm so slow, all those thoughts and nowhere to go. My aim, it used to be so true. My word had a place in it, darling, just for you. Oh, I used to dream of oceans and streams, flowing and growing strong. Where have all those days gone? Excuse me, now I gotta go. Can't stand to be here anymore, no. I'm sick and I gotta go to bed. If I stay now, I'm better off dead. Oh, I used to dream of oceans and streams, flowing and growing strong. Where have all those days gone?
Myself, and I decided I was never coming down. Just then a tiny little dot caught my eye. It was just about too small to see, but I watched it way too long. It was pulling me down. I was up above it. 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 Shut up, so what? What does it matter now? I was swimming in the haze, now I crawl on the ground, and everything I never liked about you is kind of seeping into me. Try to laugh about it now, but isn't it funny?